Welcome to our exploration of 10 small towns in Indiana with the most extreme weather. In this video, we'll journey through Indiana's small towns that have faced some of the most severe weather impacts, from devastating tornadoes to relentless floods. Each featured town has a unique story of resilience and recovery as they battle nature's fury. Join us as we uncover the challenges faced by these communities and the remarkable spirit that helps them endure. 1. Henryville. Tornado devastation. Henryville, a small town in Indiana, experienced one of the most devastating tornadoes in March 2012. This EF4 tornado tore through the town, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Homes were flattened, schools were severely damaged, and the landscape of the town was forever changed. The tornado's powerful winds uprooted trees and tossed vehicles like toys, reminding the residents of the sheer force of nature. The community was left to rebuild and recover from this catastrophic event, which highlighted the importance of disaster preparedness and resilience. It stands as a testament to the unpredictable nature of Indiana's weather. 2. Washington. Battling flood waters. Located in Daviess County, Washington, is no stranger to severe flooding events. The town was significantly impacted during the 2008 floods that affected much of Indiana. Streets turned into rivers, homes were submerged, and residents were forced to evacuate to safer grounds. The floodwaters disrupted daily life, causing extensive damage to infrastructure and personal property. The community banded together to support one another during the crisis, showcasing the strong sense of unity among its residents. Washington's experience with flooding underscores the challenges faced by small towns in managing and mitigating the effects of extreme weather. 3. Petersburg. Ohio River flood. Petersburg, another small town in Indiana, has faced significant flooding challenges, particularly during the Ohio River flood of 1997. This event impacted many communities along the river, causing widespread damage and dislocation. In Petersburg, homes and businesses were inundated with water, forcing residents to evacuate and seek shelter elsewhere. The floodwaters took days to recede, leaving behind a muddy and devastated landscape. The town's experience with the Ohio River flood serves as a reminder of the vulnerability of riverine communities to extreme weather events. 4. Shoals. Along the East Fork. Situated along the East Fork of the White River, Shoals is another town prone to flooding. The river's rising waters have caused disruptions and damage to the community on several occasions. The floods not only threaten homes and businesses but also impact the local agriculture, which is a significant part of the town's economy. Residents have learned to adapt to these challenges, implementing measures to protect their properties and livelihoods. Shoals' story is one of resilience in the face of nature's unpredictability, highlighting the ongoing struggle against the forces of water. 5. English. A town relocated in June 1990, the town of English was hit by a devastating flash flood. The waters rose rapidly, catching many residents off guard and causing significant damage to the community. In the aftermath, a bold decision was made to relocate the entire town to higher ground to prevent future occurrences. This move was unprecedented and required immense effort and resources, but it showcased the town's commitment to safety and resilience. English's experience is a poignant reminder of the lengths a community will go to ensure the well-being of its residents in the face of extreme weather. 6. Monon. Winter's wrath. Monon, a small town in Indiana, has faced severe winter storms, notably the blizzard of 1978. This infamous storm brought heavy snowfall and paralyzed the region, stranding residents in their homes and cutting off essential services. The blizzard's impact was felt for days, as roads were blocked and power lines were down. Residents had to rely on each other for support and assistance, reinforcing the strong sense of community. Monon's experience with winter's wrath serves as a reminder of the harsh conditions that can arise during Indiana's cold months. 7. Delphi. Flooding challenges. Delphi has experienced significant flooding, particularly during the 2003 floods that affected much of Indiana. The floodwaters caused damage to homes and infrastructure, disrupting daily life for residents. The community was forced to come together to address the challenges posed by the rising waters, showcasing their resilience and determination. The floods also highlighted the need for better flood management and preparedness measures to protect the town from future events. Delphi's story is a testament to the impact of extreme weather on small communities and the importance of collective action. 8. Monticello. Tornado tragedy. In April 1974, Monticello was struck by an F4 tornado during the super outbreak. This powerful storm resulted in extensive damage and loss of life, leaving the community in shock and mourning. The tornado's devastating path destroyed homes, businesses, and infrastructure, altering the town's landscape. Residents were left to pick up the pieces and rebuild, drawing strength from each other during the recovery process. Monticello's experience with this tornado highlights the unpredictable and destructive nature of severe weather in Indiana. 9. Rensselaer. Icy challenges. Rensselaer, a small town in Indiana, has encountered severe winter weather, including heavy snowfall and ice storms. These events have disrupted daily life, causing damage to infrastructure and posing challenges for residents. The icy conditions make travel difficult and can lead to power outages, forcing the community to adapt to the harsh weather. Residents have learned to prepare for these events, stocking up on supplies and ensuring their homes are equipped to handle the cold. Rensselaer's experience with winter weather showcases the resilience of small towns in facing nature's challenges. 10. Winnemac. River's Fury. Winnemac, located near the Tippecanoe River, is susceptible to flooding, with significant events impacting the town and surrounding areas. The river's rising waters threaten homes and businesses, forcing residents to take action to protect their properties. The community has developed strategies to mitigate the effects of flooding, such as building levees and implementing flood warning systems. Winnemac's experience with the river's fury highlights the ongoing challenges faced by riverine communities in managing extreme weather events.